Come take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 1LT Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 7,100 pounds, 3221 kilograms, Summit White, Jet Black, Cloth Seat Trim, Emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, and the All-Star Edition. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.